Do you find yourself leaving your marketing and sales plans to guesswork? Are you tired of wasting money and time on the roll of the dice or the flip of the coin? As a specialty small business, it's crucial that you take the time to review and invest in Google Analytics. If you want to properly set growth objectives, implement new marketing and sales strategies, outline a realistic budget, and accomplish your revenue goals, you need to know the exact numbers for how your small business website is performing. Without the data, your 2019 plans are up in the air, which can end up being a disaster for your small business. Hi everyone, I'm Charles Broersma, founder of the Casbah Total Internet Marketing Solution, the place where small businesses go to double their revenue from the internet. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Analytics account for your small business so you can start monitoring your website data right now. So stay tuned. At Casbah, our dedicated internet marketing consultants will help you set up, track, measure, manage, and report on your small business website's performance in Google Analytics. They'll also help you navigate any tricky circumstances you may run into. Our IMCs are certified Google Analytics professionals, so you can sit back and relax. But if you're feeling ambitious and you want to set it up yourself, then look no further. Using Google Analytics will help you track just about anything you can imagine that happens on your small business website. You can gain better insight into what type of searchers are coming to your website, what type of device they're using to search, what your most popular web pages are, how much referral traffic you're getting from social media, and so much more. Google Analytics isn't a tool you might want to use for your website. It's a tool you absolutely need. Okay, step one. Go to google.com/analytics and click Start for Free. That's right, just like most other website tools provided by Google, Google Analytics is free. When first creating an analytics account, you'll need to fill in your account name, your website URL, your time zone, and your industry. Next, you need to assign a property. This is your small business website address. To do this, sign into your analytics account and click on the Admin tab on the bottom left navigation. In the Property tab, click the button that says Create Property. In the new window, make sure to select either website or mobile app. Fill in the rest of the boxes as they pertain to your small business website. Then click Get Tracking ID when you're ready to continue. A view is a way to filter your data so you can see a specific set of data if you want to. Google Analytics automatically creates one filtered view, but you can set up several views per property if you'd like. To do this, go to the Admin tab again. Make sure you have the correct account and property selected that you want to add the reporting view to. Move to the View column and click the Create View button at the top. Just like before, select Website or Mobile App. Select a name for your new view and then click Create View. Your name should pertain to the type of data within your new view, so it's easy for you to find. The last step is to insert the Google Analytics tracking code so Google can start receiving data. Google Analytics supplies you with a tracking code that you need to include on any page of your website that you want data from. To get the tracking code, go to the Admin tab, move to the Property column. In the Property column, click on the Tracking Info and then Tracking Code from the drop-down menu that appears. Select the whole code that appears in the box and add it to every page on the website you want to track. You want to add this tracking code, also called a snippet, to the beginning of each page right after the header tag. Once you finish adding the tracking code snippet to your web pages, Google Analytics should immediately start importing data. These instructions will allow you to set up the basics of Google Analytics. Once you understand these preliminary steps, then you can continue to set up and use some of Analytics' more advanced features, which I'll discuss in upcoming videos. Using Google Analytics will help you make more informed and accurate marketing and sales decisions now and in the future. Using this brief tutorial and the steps that I've outlined, you'll be able to create your own Google Analytics account so you can jumpstart your marketing and sales strategies for the rest of the year. Be sure to check out the Casbah Total Internet Marketing Solution at www.casbah.net. You'll find a wealth of information, including a library of other videos that I've recorded under the Resources tab. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll get all of the updates. I post new videos every Friday, so be sure to come back and check them out.